How to download Dropbox on Windows. So I'm right here on the main Dropbox page. This is for downloading the Dropbox desktop app. Now, first things first, I do have a link to a free trial for Dropbox in the video description just below this video. So all you need to do is click on the video, the link in that video description, and you can get a free trial, check out the platform, see if it's for you. So once you're here on this page or an updated page, depending on when you're clicking the link, all you need to do is click install for the desktop app, and that will download to your downloads location. So depending on where your downloads are actually stored, I'm on Google Chrome here. You will have a downloads location and you will follow the instructions here to actually download the desktop app. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like. Check out my free trial in the link down below this video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.